Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope so that you all will be fine. You know that we are doing the exercise of chapter number 2, the wooden bowl, and we have completed its A part. Today we are going to do its part B. This is page number 10. This is part B, Noman and Zishan. The heading of this topic is Noman and Zishan. This is part B. The first word statement is talk about the picture, name the sum of the things in the shops, compare them. You know that here in this picture there are two shops. The first one owner is Noman and the owner of the second one shop is Zishan. You can see here that students, in the Noman's shop, all the things which are present over there are more in quantity. But Zishan has very less things. Look here, Noman has a lot of shelves, whereas Zishan has less shelves than Noman. Or you can see that Noman has more money than Zishan, and Zishan has less money than Noman. You can look here that Noman has less coins than Zishan. Zishan has more coins. Now you can look that Noman has more bottles than Zishan. Noman has more tins than Zishan. But you can look here, Zishan has more sacks than Noman. Look at the appearance of both. Noman has fewer hair than Zishan. And you can look that Zishan has less boxes than Noman. Look at Noman, he is wearing a gold chain and gold ring, whereas Zishan has less gold than Noman. So students, you can compare these both pictures and then you have to solve the exercise. Now we move towards the page number 11. The first one part is fill in the blanks. Now look at A part. We have compared the whole picture, and whenever we are going to give the comparison, we use then and the comparative degree of adjective. So you can fill these blanks. First one is dash has more money than dash. Students, as you have observed in the picture that Noman has more money than Zishan. So you can fill these blanks in this way. Noman has more money than Zishan. B part. Dash has less money than dash. As you know that Zishan has less money than Noman. C part. Dash has fewer coins than dash. Now you can look in the picture that Noman has less coins, whereas Zishan has more coins. So we will fill these blanks in this way. Noman has fewer coins than Zishan. D part. Dash has more coins than dash. You know that Zishan has more coins than Noman. And we are going to give the comparison between two people. We use the second degree of adjective and we use the comparison by using the word then. Now look at the part third. Write sentences about Noman and Zishan. Use more than, less than, and fewer than. Also use the given nouns. Bottles, tins, gold, hair, shelves, boxes. Look at A part. You have to use these words, the comparative words, and these nouns to write down some sentences. First one sentence is we are going to use the word bottles. Noman has more bottles than Zishan. Now the word is tins. Zishan has fewer tins than Noman. Now look at the picture. Look here that Noman has more bottles than Zishan and Zishan has less tins than Noman. And look here, Noman has more gold than Zishan, or you can say that Zishan has less gold than Noman. So look here, the next one word is gold and we are going to write down the sentence about this. Zishan has less gold than Noman. You can also write this sentence in this way that Noman has more gold than Zishan. Hair. The next one word is hair. You can look here that Noman has less hair whereas Zishan has more hair. So you will write the sentence Noman has fewer hair than Zishan. Shelves. As you know students that Zishan has less shelves and Noman has more shelves. So we will write down the sentence Noman has more shelves than Zishan. The next one word is boxes. You know that Noman has more boxes whereas Zishan has less boxes. So you will write the sentence Zishan has less boxes than Noman. So students, you also make these type of comparisons in your class with your friends and at your home with your brother or sister. And you can compare your things which you possess, that who has more things and who has less things, who has more notebooks, who has less notebooks. Same is the case with the toys. You can compare your things and you can make the sentences of your own. I think so this exercise is quite clear to you. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.